Hi friends, I'm SRINI here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've started going to flower market in Coimbatore for street photography. I'm carrying very minimal equipments. I would like to show you at the end of this video what I carry. It's a beautiful place where you can find a lot of interesting elements such as colors, patterns and things like that. The weather is almost cloudy, but a slight sunshine is started coming up, and all these days it was rainy, and today only we see some good light. I usually prefer early mornings for my photography, because early morning is nature is so vibrant and energetic. Hope to get some nice pictures today. My camera today is Fujifilm X-T4. It's very light. Even after shooting for hours, you won't feel tired. It has awesome retro look. Well, this camera comes with 1855mm kit lens. This lens is very sharp and gives beautiful colors. This lens is very useful for wider shots as well as location portraits. In addition to that, I carry a 55-200 lens also. This mainly I use for tight portraits and candid shots, and suppose I want too much of distraction in the background, I want to isolate the subject. For all these things I use this lens. This sling bag is very convenient. We can swap the lenses without even placing the camera bag on the ground. The shopkeepers are very friendly here. At the same time, I always maintain a distance between myself and the shopkeeper. I never intrude their private space. Once I complete taking shots, I always show them what I have taken. Finally, I always thank them for their cooperation. Thanks for watching my video. In my next upcoming video, I'm going to give you a demo of how I clean my lenses. Thank you once again.